I'm Chef Olivia. Today we are making Superfood Lemonade. We have today some of my favorite products, Manuka honey and the pure radiancy. Manuka honey is 101% raw and has beneficial properties. Honey is my sweetener of choice in all food recipes of raw food, you know. Pure Radiant C is made up with all organic acerola, blueberries plus raspberries with wild crafted camu. It's so good for you. Camu is the highest food in vitamin C. 1/4 teaspoon of this powder meets your daily requirement for vitamin C. Now we're gonna make Superfood Lemonade with my favorite products.
Go, Olivia. Go.
Hello, people. So right now, guess what we're doing? We're gonna take, I forget what this thing is called.
Zester.
A zester. And then we're gonna put it in like this, over here. Do you have to put all the zester in here?
Yeah.
Ew, but it makes it gross. Now we are going to cut the lemon with a sharp knife. Okay, no, you do it. Do it! Wow, he's automatically good at it. Mine comes out really slow.
Oh.
Now get done with it, you bad monkey. You look at me, not at Alex. Put this stuff in it. So I take 2 cups of...
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of pure radiancy. Well, I told you that already. I didn't tell you about the 2 cups though. I put it in the honey away, which makes it really so good. So, ooh, look, honey is viscous. Yeah, it's viscous. Let's just make it longer.
Okay.
Thank you. And there we go. I got some on my finger.
Do a bigger one. Okay, we'll just do it again.
And, hey, why does Alex get to eat all the honey?
Try it.
What?
It's good. Olivia. That's way too much honey.
It was making healthy.
That's right. Okay.
Oh, look at my bones are starting up to shake up.
You got it.
Now we're gonna whisk this all. It's my first time whisking. Oh, I know how to whisk. Hey, Alex, get off. Now put this. Still looks like goose poop. You can see. Take a cup of spoon and taste it. Because it tastes kind of like lemonade, then you got it right. And now we're gonna pour it. And the finishing touch. I'm still wearing my Koji Berry pants though. It kind of tastes like lemonade. So it kind of is. If you want to make this at home, use pure radiancy, of course, and Manuka healing honey, and you'll make a fashionable design. And I almost forgot, Chef Olivia here from RawGuru.com. Hi, I'm Chef Olivia here at RawGuru.com.
Why did you say hey? It's bye.
I said bye.
No, you said hey. Shut up. Just this one last part.